is my first time ever doing an unboxing video. So right here, I got all 6 of the peptides from Make Wellness. They did like a special for affiliates, and I'm really excited because I'm getting a water bottle in here, like a really cute glass one. But as I'm unboxing and showing you what's inside, I wanted to share all the ingredients. We're kind of like an ingredient household. We want like non-toxic, we want natural, like nature derived things. And I love that about Make. Everything's derived from nature. Like they like to say that like Mother Nature is nature's pharmaceutical. And I'm like, well, God, it's God's pharmaceutical. He put things in nature for us to heal our bodies. So I feel like I'm partnering with like his natural God-given gifts that he's given us. So let's get started. This outfit. Okay. Welcome, Make Wellness. Oh, it talks about all 6 of them on the back of here. Cool. So I can use this to tell you like the benefits and things like that. But here we have all 6. Let me check out this water bottle. I'm so excited. So pretty. I've been seeing other people's with pictures of it. Awesome. Totally going to be using this. Alright, where should we start? Let's start with Fit. This is one I do and take every single day. I've been out of it. My mom let me borrow some. I did a killer workout on Monday. My muscles have felt it. When I'm on Fit and taking it regularly, the muscle recovery is, and I don't really experience feeling sore. Alright, so I'm going to use this. It tells us what the benefits are. So for Fit, reduces muscle soreness and recovery time after exercise, supports lean muscle preservation for long-term strength, and helps protect muscle mass as you age. The anti-aging is huge. So the ingredients, I have that for you. Vitamin D for bone health and immune support, vitamin B6 and B12 for metabolism, energy, nervous system. I have crazy good energy on Fit, and I didn't realize it until I stopped taking it, and I was like sluggish and tired, and I was like, oh, I haven't been taking my Fit peptide. Magnesium for muscle and nerve function, metabolic matrix. This is the Pepti Strong Plus, so that's the peptide. That's for muscle health, power, strength, and recovery, and then natural caffeine to enhance alertness. So that's what in Fit. I take Fit every single day. Actually, I'm going to take one right now because I have not had it, and I want to. And I want to use this new water bottle too. So let's see. I'm going to fill it all the way up because I like to dilute things and have like more of a slight flavor than a strong flavor, but Fit tastes like orange, which makes it perfect for the mornings. It's like, so mixes very easily, very well. Don't need a shaker bottle or anything like that. There aren't any clumps in here. I'm gonna top it off. There we go. Yeah, I've been missing this. Very much so. That's so pretty. It's probably backwards for you. Okay, put this over here. So that's the Fit peptide. So we'll talk about lean next. I also take this every day. However, this one is the lean 2.0. So I've been taking like the original one. They actually added 2 new ingredients to it, which actually I won't have on this. Cause yeah, I've been taking like the OG version. But like full transparency with lean, it's supposed to help with weight loss. For me personally, it has absolutely quieted the food noise, and I'm like never hungry. Like it totally takes the hunger away. But I wasn't experiencing like drastic weight loss. Like I didn't change my diet or anything when I was taking it. I really wanted to put it to the test and see what it could do. And so there are kind of some mixed reviews with it, with the old version, where it seemed like some people were losing weight and some people weren't. Everyone was experiencing like the appetite suppression and like the food noise being quieted, which is awesome. Like if you're working on a health journey and those 2 things would help you a lot, lean is perfect. And I want to see some weight loss. So I'm really excited. So now that I have this box of lean, I'm hoping that I'm losing some more inches. I definitely saw like a change in my body composition, but like when I would take in-body scans and things like that, my fat percentage was the same. So I wasn't experiencing that. So when they changed the formula and they added 2 new ingredients, which I think I should be able to see what the new ingredients are. Yeah. L-carnitine was one of them. What was the other one? I'll have to put something in my stories about this so that I can do like they're calling it like the lean 2.0. But when people switched to doing the lean 2.0 with the 2 new ingredients, people who weren't losing weight started losing weight, and I'm like, yeah. So I'm hoping that happens for me too. So benefits of lean. I talked a little bit about it. Supports healthy fat metabolism and energy utilization, helps curb cravings, and promote, oh, they put that in one word, promote mindful eating habits. Encourages muscle maintenance for a lean, strong body, and works synergetically with fit to enhance body composition. So like, even in here, they're not like specifically saying weight loss. It is more to like enhance and help you in your health journey. So it has anti-curb trim fast complex. That is the peptide. Bioactive Precision Peptides from brewer's yeast supports metabolism and appetite control. Bioactive phenolic compounds from citrus fruits and guarana. So that enhances fat breakdown, supports gut-brain connection, and helps regulate hunger hormones. I definitely, even though like my body composition hasn't like drastically changed, I definitely experience all those benefits, which is why I continued taking it every single day. So lean is one that I take every day. So that's lean. Focused. I took that already today. This is in pill form. So focus enhances mental clarity and sharpens focus, boosts memory and cognitive processing, reduces brain fog for sustained attention, supports neurotransmitter balance for peak mental performance. So what's in it? Lutein, which reduces eye strain and brain fatigue. Bacopa monetary, I probably didn't say that right, supports cognitive function and memory. Ginkgo peptides, so there's your peptide, improves brain blood circulation. And oh my gosh, phosphatidylserine supports cognitive and mood. I'm gonna have to make sure it's spelled right with the, what's it called, where they put the words to what you're saying. What I love about Focus is I have helped mamas switch their kids off of their ADHD medication to Focused, and it works for their kids. I cannot tell you how happy that makes me, that I can offer an all-natural, plant-based product that gets them off of that medication. Just taking, you know, I know ADHD medication has its place, but if you can switch to a natural alternative, oh my gosh, why wouldn't you do that for your kids? Definitely reach out to me if your kids are on any kind of medication like that, because it is working for them. I personally take it for my mama brain fog, and when I am not on focus, you can tell. Yeah, I took it about probably 20 minutes ago, so it should be kicked in right now. So I feel like I'm focusing pretty well right now. So that's focused. It's a once a day pill that you take. Oh my goodness, Energize is my favorite because of the energy boost. You just feel so good when you take Energize. It is a very vibrant blue drink. Obviously all natural ingredients. So what does Energize do? It promotes clean, sustained energy without crashes. So people replace energy drinks with Energized, and they don't have a sugar crash. There's no sugar in it, but they don't have a crash. And because of the peptide component, which is cell signaling, it's energy that lasts throughout the day. So you don't have to like keep drinking Energize. Like you have to keep drinking energy drinks to stay like energized. It boosts alertness and concentration, combines natural caffeine with peptides for balanced performance, and fuels physical and mental endurance throughout the day. I don't even know what else to say other than like when I drink Energized, I feel amazing. Caleb drinks Energized every day after work. Like after work, he's really, really tired. And so he takes an Energized and he's good to go the rest of the day. So what's an Energized? Ginseng peptides for mood, energy, and adrenal health. Yeah, it helps with your mood too, which I love that. Fatigue fighter peptides, ATP production, energy, and focus. Whole coffee fruit extract, balance, slow released energy, and then caffeine for you get like an immediate energy boost, but then the peptides are what make it last after that. So that's Energized. We got Calm. I ran out of Calm. I've not had it. So Calm is a pixie stick. So you put it on your tongue and you let it dissolve in your spit, and then you swallow it. It tastes like lemon citrus. It's super yummy. I take Calm when I'm feeling anxious, and it will take the anxiety away. First of all, I bring my anxiety to Jesus. I don't want to go straight to a product. Like, I know that Jesus is my peace, but I will partner going to prayer with taking Calm, and within 10 minutes, all the anxiousness and those feelings are like you just feel like, I mean, the name of these products are very, just makes you feel calm. What's in Calm? Sensorial ashwagandha, stress reduction. So that is a natural plant-based ashwagandha. You'll see people will take that before bed to help them sleep at night. It's reduce anxiety. Women who are like in pre-menopause, full-blown menopause can take, like they are saying they take Calm and their hot flashes go away. But if you research what women take for hot flashes, it's ashwagandha. I hope I'm saying that right. Lemon balm extract, which promotes calmness. GABA, which is for relaxation and stress release. GABA is another one that women will take for hot flashes in menopause. And L-theanine, which is relaxation without drowsiness. So yeah, Calm does not make you feel drowsy at all, which is awesome. And lastly, we have Hydrated. This one's the grapefruit flavor. Typically, I will mix this with Fit, or I will mix it with Focus, and it's actually clear. It doesn't have any color to it. Let's see what they say. Hydrated. It supports electrolyte balance for hydration and muscle function. It helps unlock the full potential of Bioactive Precision Peptides. So taking hydrated, when your body's hydrated, the peptides are going to be able to function better in your cells and connect to your cells better. So it aids in fluid retention for improved recovery and performance. It complements fit and lean for complete metabolic and muscle support. What's in hydrated? Magnesium, chloride, sodium, potassium for electrolyte balance, Solar C Sport AC Sport Hydration. So they get the salt comes from Great Salt Lake. Glycine, yeah, so it's not table salt. Cellular hydration and coconut water powder for natural electrolytes. So it is just very, very hydrating, and the ingredients are just so good. There you have it. There's my unboxing. There's everything. It looks like there's something else in here. No, it's not. That's just to lift everything up a bit. Okay, cool. Make it bold, make it fearless, make it yours. So there we have it. I'm super excited to be fully stocked up on everything, especially that I have Fit again, and I'm just so excited to try the new lean. Like, I'm gonna have to take pictures again and see what my results are with the lean 2.0, but thanks for sticking with me and watching the unboxing.